If you're passionate about woodworking or just starting your DIY journey, having the right hand tools can make every project more accurate, efficient, and enjoyable. In this video, we're showcasing 12 innovative Amazon woodworking hand tools every DIY enthusiast needs this year. From precision marking tools and scratch awls to Japanese pull saws, carving kits, compact wood planers, and pocket hole jigs, these tools are designed to help you achieve cleaner cuts, stronger joints, and more professional results, whether you're building furniture, crafting home decor, or tackling weekend workshop projects. Number 1. Ever struggle to start a hole exactly where you want? A tiny slip can ruin wood, leather, or metal. That's where a solid scratch awl changes everything. Meet the DASCO Pro 7-inch scratch awl. It's built with one-piece drop-forged construction. That means serious strength for demanding work. No loose parts, no flimsy feel, just confidence. Use it to mark clean, precise starting points. Scribe lines smoothly across wood with control. Punch into leather without fighting the tool. Start holes faster in metal and repair jobs. The sharp steel point delivers accurate placement. The 7-inch size feels balanced in hand. It gives you steady pressure and better leverage. Perfect for professionals who need dependable results. Also great for DIY projects around the house. Woodworkers will love the precision on every pass. Craftsmen can count on it day after day. It's tough enough for repeated heavy-duty use. And it stays reliable through demanding projects. Made in the USA since 1923. Proudly. That heritage shows in the build quality. Simple tool, big difference in your workflow. Less slipping, less guessing, more accurate results. If precision matters, this all delivers. A smart addition to any toolbox or workshop. Strong, versatile, and ready when you are. Choose DASCO Pro for reliable marking and scribing. Get cleaner starts and better control every time. Try it today and feel the difference. Number 2. Ever struggle to start a clean hole by hand? A drill feels too big for tiny detail work, and regular picks can slip, scratch, or feel awkward. That's where this mini awl really comes in. Meet the KAKURI Mini Scratch Awl Tool. Small, lightweight, and made for precise, everyday tasks. It's great for woodworking, scribing, marking, and punching. You can also use it for leatherwork and sewing. The tapered tip helps you start holes cleanly. Then gradually enlarge them up to about 5/16 inch. Perfect when you need control, not brute force. The Japanese stainless steel blade stays sharp and reliable. It also resists corrosion for long-lasting use. The round maple handle feels smooth and balanced. It fits naturally between your fingers for better control. That means less hand strain during delicate work. It's compact enough to slip into any small kit. Toolbox, sewing bag, craft box, it goes anywhere. Watch how easily it marks this exact starting point. The tip bites in cleanly without wandering offline. Now the hole begins with neat, steady pressure. No tearing, no rough edges, just a cleaner finish. For leather projects, it makes piercing feel effortless. For woodworking, it's perfect for careful alignment work. For sewing and DIY repairs, it saves time. Everything feels more precise with this little tool. Simple, sharp, and comfortable in daily use. If you value control, this awl is a smart pick. KAKURI brings trusted Japanese craftsmanship to your bench. Try it once, and you'll reach for it often. Number 3. A pencil line becomes precision instantly. Meet Woodgraphic Scriber Gauge, your layout shortcut. One tool, many jobs, no workshop clutter. Trace joinery lines with absolute confidence. Measure thickness without swapping tools. Mark parallel scribe lines in seconds. Set mortises faster, cleaner, smarter. CNC machined aluminum keeps every edge true. Lightweight in hand, sturdy on the bench. Anodized finish resists wear and corrosion. Laser-etched markings stay crisp, readable, reliable. Metric and imperial scales, both ready. Switch between board width, tenon, and router setup. No second guessing. No sloppy transfers. Every adjustment locks in securely, slides smoothly, then holds exactly where needed. Perfect for framing, cabinets, and custom furniture. Built for carpenters who demand repeatable precision. Trusted Korean craftsmanship backs every measurement. Designed for professionals, loved by serious DIYers. From rough board to finished fit, faster. From layout sketch to final cut, cleaner. Less guessing, more making. More accuracy, less waste. Your bench deserves a smarter measuring partner. Your projects deserve sharper alignment. Upgrade your workflow with one precision tool. Woodgraphic Scriber gauge makes every line matter. Measure, mark, build with confidence. Get yours now and sharpen every project. Number 4. Ever try tight curves and feel your saw fight back? My last project turned messy, slow, and seriously frustrating. Corners chipped, lines drifted, and patience disappeared fast. I needed cleaner cuts, but nothing felt reliable. Then I spotted the IRWIN ProTouch coping saw. Its blue and yellow design instantly grabbed my attention online. I clicked because the grip looked incredibly comfortable. That ergonomic triangular ProTouch handle felt like a real upgrade. The flat bar frame promised solid control and lasting durability. Durasteel pins gave me confidence it would stay steady. The high-speed steel blade sealed the deal. I knew it could cut faster and cleaner, so I grabbed it for my next detailed trim. Right away, the handle sat naturally in my hand. No slipping, no awkward pressure, just smooth control. The blade tracked curves without chewing up the wood. Suddenly, those difficult cuts became simple and precise. I finished faster, with way less fatigue. Even longer sessions felt surprisingly comfortable and manageable. That's the kind of tool that changes everything. For woodworkers and DIYers, precision matters every single time. This saw delivers that precision with serious ease. It handles details, trim work, and tricky shapes beautifully. No more forcing cuts or wasting expensive material, just clean results and confident, controlled movement. If your projects demand accuracy, this is the move. Why keep struggling with cuts that should feel effortless? Upgrade now and make every detail look professional. Grab the IRWIN ProTouch coping saw before your next project. Number 5. Tired of switching tools for every different material? Wood, plastic, and metal cuts often need separate saws. That slows down DIY projects and wastes valuable time. Curved cuts can be tricky with bulky, limiting frames. Deep timber cuts also get frustrating and uneven. Meet the KAKURI coping saw, built for versatility. Its replaceable blade system handles multiple cutting materials. Use the woodworking blades for timber and lumber. Switch to the woodboard blade for cleaner panel cuts. Choose the plastic blade for PVC pipes and parts. Use the light metal blade for aluminum and similar jobs. One frame, many tasks, less clutter in your toolbox. The 6, 3-inch deep frame makes wider cuts easier. It reaches farther into large timber without interference. Curves and inside cutouts feel smoother and more controlled. No wrench or screwdriver needed for blade replacement. Just rotate the handle and change blades by hand. That means faster switching, even when working outdoors. Need a different blade mid-project? Change it instantly. The hardened tempered blades stay sharp longer. You get cleaner cuts with less effort and resistance. The wooden handle sits comfortably and feels secure. That improves control during detailed woodworking and craft work. At only 7.4 ounces, it stays lightweight and portable, perfect for home repairs, workshop use, and DIY builds. Crafters and woodworkers will appreciate the easy flexibility. It helps you work smarter with fewer tools. It saves space, time, and unnecessary project hassle. For precise, practical cutting, this saw delivers confidence. A smart choice for cleaner work and smoother results. Number 6. My drill bit slipped again, ruining the entire board. The clean timber suddenly looked like a battlefield. I thought my hands were steady enough, but every mark kept wandering off course. That tiny mistake cost me hours of repair. Then the real cause appeared. No starting point. Without one, even good tools betray you. So I reached for this scratch-all. A simple tool, yet dangerously effective. Its hardwood handle fit my palm perfectly. The grip felt stable, firm, and controlled. The steel point looked sharp enough to strike fear. First, I marked the spot with a pencil. Then the awl carved a precise starting dent. No wandering, no slipping, no wasted effort, just a clean, obedient guide for drilling. I dragged it along the grain for layout lines. A shallow groove appeared like magic. Saw blades followed it instead of drifting away. Chisels stayed disciplined through every cut. The blade ran through the handle for strength. Rust-resistant steel promised long-lasting reliability. At 6.5 inches, it felt perfectly balanced. The 5-inch blade delivered serious marking power. Woodworking finally stopped feeling like a fight. Every hole started exactly where I demanded. Every line looked sharper, cleaner, more professional. This is the General Tools Scratch All tool, built for woodworkers, carpenters, and serious DIYers. If precision matters, this awl changes everything. Grab yours now and work smarter today. Number 7. Tired of blades dulling halfway through every carving project? Frustrated when cheap handles slip during detailed, careful work? Annoyed by tools rolling away across your workspace? And wasting time searching for the right carving shape? This 12-piece wood carving set changes that completely. Its hardened CRV steel blades stay sharp much longer. Rockwell C60 hardness helps them handle repeated heavy mallet use, so you carve cleaner lines with less frequent sharpening. The white wax wood handles feel solid and dependable. Their moisture-resistant finish supports comfortable use in different environments. The octagonal shape keeps each tool from rolling away. That means better control and less interruption while working. Each blade connects firmly to the handle for added stability. You get confidence when pushing into tougher wood surfaces. The included nylon mallet absorbs rebound for smoother strikes. Its ergonomic handle helps reduce fatigue during longer sessions. Durable stainless steel joints add reliability to every tap. The canvas roll keeps all 12 tools neatly organized. Blades stay separated, protected, and easy to access. No more scattered chisels or damaged cutting edges. With varied gouges and chisels, you can start any project. Perfect for relief carving, spoons, bowls, signs, and figures. Beginners can learn faster with a complete, ready-to-use kit. Professionals can trust it for precision detailing and finishing. Everything feels balanced, practical, and built for real use. You spend less time fighting tools and more time creating. Your carving becomes smoother, steadier, and more enjoyable. And your finished work looks cleaner, sharper, and more refined. Choose this set for strength, comfort, and organization. A reliable carving kit that supports every skill level. Number 8. Tired of bulky saws slowing your woodworking down? Meet the RUITOOL Japanese pull saw, built for real work. First reason? It folds up fast, carries easily anywhere. No more exposed blades scratching your bag or tools. Just lock it, fold it, and head out confidently. Perfect for workshops, job sites, camping, and home projects. Second reason. The SK5 high-carbon steel blade means durability. It stays flexible, yet cuts with serious confidence. Imported high-frequency hardening boosts strength to HRC 60 to 63. That means longer life and reliable performance every time. Third reason. Those hardened 3-edged teeth cut beautifully. They grab fast, remove chips smoothly, and save effort. You get cleaner cuts with less dragging and frustration. Great for fine woodworking, trim work, and small parts. The 14 TPI fine-tooth blade gives precise control. Need accuracy on boards, branches, or detail cuts? This saw handles it with calm, steady power. The ergonomic curved handle feels natural in your hand. The anti-slip grip helps you work longer, easier. Less fatigue means better results on every cut. Compact, portable, and ready when your next project starts. It is a smart choice for woodworkers and DIYers alike. Carpenters will appreciate the control and dependable cutting feel. Gardeners and outdoor users will love the portability too. If you want one saw that does more, choose this. Fold it, carry it, cut cleanly, and keep moving. RUITOOL brings practical design to your everyday toolkit. Upgrade your cutting game with a saw that works hard. Click now to get yours before the next project starts. Bring home the RUITOOL folding pull saw today. Number 9. Need cleaner cuts without tearing the wood? Regular saws often leave rough edges and wasted time. Flush cuts can be especially frustrating on tight joints. Softwood or hardwood, one saw rarely handles both well. That means more switching, more effort, and slower progress. Meet the RUITOOL 6-inch Japanese double-edge hand saw. Its compact blade is built for precise finish work. Perfect when you need control, not brute force. The SK5 high-carbon steel blade stays durable and flexible. Imported high-frequency hardening pushes hardness to HRC 60 to 63, so the blade cuts sharp, smooth, and consistently. One side features 17 TPI for hardwood. The other side features 14 TPI for softwood. That gives you rip-cut and cross-cut versatility. 3-sided hardened teeth improve chip removal fast. Cuts feel cleaner, smoother, and more efficient. The 6-inch blade size is tested for precision, ideal for flush cuts, trim cuts, and finishing details. The wooden handle offers a comfortable, steady grip, easy to control for carpenters, craftsmen, and woodworkers. Before, rough edges, forced cuts, and frustrating cleanup. After, clean joints, smooth finishes, and faster results. From dowels to joints, it handles detail work naturally. From hardwood boards to softwood projects, it adapts easily. It also makes an excellent gift for craftsmen, reliable, practical, and ready for everyday woodworking jobs. And if you need help, support replies within 24 hours. Choose the RUITOOL Japanese handsaw for smarter cutting. Clean cuts start with the right blade. Get yours today and make every cut count. Number 10. Cutting edges by hand. But the finish still looks rough? Tiny errors turn into wasted time, extra sanding, and frustration. That's where a precision mini plane changes everything. Meet the JORGENSEN No. 101 Mini Wood Planer. Compact size, serious control, and workshop-ready durability. Its 01 tool steel blade cuts cleanly and efficiently. Sharp edges mean smoother shavings with less effort, and the blade can be sharpened again and again. Built for long service, not quick replacement. The ductile iron body handles tough, daily workshop use. Drop-tested strength gives you confidence in every pass. Zinc alloy and stainless steel parts add lasting reliability. Turn the knob to adjust cutting depth precisely. Fine trim today, deeper planing tomorrow. One tool, flexible enough for many woodworking tasks. Perfect for trimming, polishing, deburring, and edge cleanup. Great for DIY projects, crafts, and small repairs too. The flat, polished bottom glides smoothly across wood. That means better control and cleaner surface finishing. Even beginners can get started with the included manual. Professionals get precision. Newcomers get an easier learning curve. Before, rough edges, uneven surfaces, constant rework. After, clean lines, smoother finish, and better fit. Less sanding, less waste. More confidence in every project. When details matter, this mini plane simply makes sense. Strong blade, durable body, adjustable depth, effortless results. A small tool that solves big woodworking frustrations. Upgrade your kit with the JORGENSEN No. 101. Built for woodworkers, DIYers, and craft lovers. Get cleaner cuts and smoother finishes today. Number 11. In every workshop, there's a dream waiting to take shape. A simple board can become something deeply meaningful, but strong joints make those dreams last for years. That's where the Kreg K4 pocket hole jig shines. Drill, drive, and done woodworking made beautifully easy. It helps you join wood fast, strong, and confidently. No struggle, no guesswork, just precise results every time. The adjustable design fits materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5. Perfect for shelves, cabinets, furniture, and everyday repairs. Its 3-hole guide creates accurate, rock-solid pocket holes. Every joint feels secure, steady, and professionally crafted. The hardened steel drill guides deliver lasting precision and durability. A large clamping recess keeps everything stable while working. You can clamp, position, and drill with complete control. Need flexibility? The removable drill guide makes transport easy. Use it on your benchtop or bring it on site. From first project to final finish, it supports you. For DIYers, it turns ideas into proud, finished pieces. For professionals, it saves time without sacrificing craftsmanship. For woodworkers, it brings confidence to every cut and connection. Even challenging builds feel simpler, cleaner, and more rewarding. Because great work starts with dependable tools you trust. Kreg has always helped close the gap between idea and outcome. That's why generations of makers rely on Kreg tools. This jig isn't just practical, it's a workshop companion. It stands beside you through every project and every upgrade. Build stronger, build smarter, build something worth keeping. Choose the Kreg K4 pocket hole jig today. Bring home precision, ease, and lasting confidence in every joint. Create perfect, rock-solid results, one beautiful project at a time. Number 12. Struggling with pocket holes that take forever to line up. Clamps slow everything down, and mistakes waste good wood. Working on site, heavy tools make joinery even more frustrating. That's where the Kreg Rebel changes the entire workflow. Its one-motion drilling creates pocket holes fast and clean. No clamping needed means less setup, more actual building. Precision depth control keeps every hole accurate and consistent. The cordless 20V design gives you freedom anywhere. Move from shop to job site without losing momentum. The compact handheld body feels balanced and easy to control. A rugged metal frame adds stability and lasting durability, so your joinery stays reliable through daily woodworking demands. The included blue-ion battery keeps you powered longer, and the charger helps your projects keep moving smoothly. No cords tangled across the bench, no unnecessary delays. Just grab the tool and start building with confidence. It works beautifully for carpentry, cabinets, and furniture assembly. Perfect for DIYers who want faster, cleaner results. Also ideal for woodworkers needing professional-level convenience. Even advanced joinery tasks feel simpler with this setup. Strong pocket hole joints give your builds dependable structure. That means better frames, tighter assemblies, and sturdier projects. You spend less time fighting tools and more creating. Your work becomes smoother, faster, and more repeatable. Every project feels more efficient from first hole to finish, and the results look cleaner, stronger, and more professional. For makers who value precision, this tool closes the gap. Between your idea and the finished piece, nothing feels easier. The Kreg Rebel delivers freedom, speed, and trusted joint strength. If you want better woodworking, this is the upgrade. That wraps up our list of 12 innovative woodworking hand tools that every DIY enthusiast should consider adding to their workshop this year. Whether you're improving precision with a marking gauge, shaping wood with a quality hand plane, or speeding up assembly with a pocket hole jig, each of these tools brings practical value to your woodworking projects. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow makers and DIY builders. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more woodworking tools, workshop gear, and hands-on project inspiration.